We want to check sweeps regularly to see their wear patterns. If they're wearing unevenly, there could be other problems within the field cultivator shank assembly. If the sweeps are wearing evenly, we still want to make sure that we're replacing them when they need to be replaced. The operator should be looking at the field finish behind the field cultivator to help understand if the sweeps should be replaced or not. If the sweeps are worn, soil boiling off that sweep and on the shank will be poor, as well as residue management will be poor. We want to make sure that we're watching for those key items in order to understand if the sweeps need to be replaced or not. The TigerMate 200 field cultivator utilizes a system called split the middle. What that means is the first 3 ranks of sweeps take a full swipe of soil. The back 2 ranks will take out the middles. The result to an operator will be the first 3 ranks will wear out their sweeps first, and then the back 2 will normally wear out second.